When it comes to building a home from a shipping container, there are many things you must consider. You've probably already searched various websites for guidance, however many of the other online guides miss out several very important steps. You see, safety is a huge factor when building a container home. I mean, you're probably going to have friends and family living in your container at some point. And that's why you need to follow a guide you can trust. Not some dodgy YouTube video. Professional container builder for 14 years reveals his secrets and teaches you how to build a beautifully designed home using shipping containers. What costly mistakes you must avoid so your project doesn't collapse like a house of cards. The fastest way to get your project complete and livable. Where money can be saved and where you need to invest those savings for the best results. The cheapest way to build a container home from start to finish. Hello my friend. I'm a professional builder and have been using shipping containers in many various projects over the last 14 years. I'm also a designer. I can help you visualize an amazing container home that's also easy to build. Function and brilliant design are my main goals when taking on a new project. There are many benefits to container homes. I noticed about 5 years ago the interest in shipping container homes skyrocketed. This is because people are realizing the huge benefits to this method. Affordability. Building a container home is extremely cost-effective. If you've already looked into the cost of new or second-hand container, you obviously know what I mean. Design. You can easily modify shipping container to create a modern sleek look. Strength. Shipping containers are built extremely strong with few weak points, making them a great starting point. Time. Because the majority of the home is already built, you can have a complete home built in record time. Unique. Even though container homes are on the rise, they are still unique and will stand out from every other home. Green. Recycling an old shipping container and using it to build with is a great green idea, and many other will see the important example you're setting. Now it's time for me to bring your dream to reality. After all this time in the building industry, I've been asked countless times to help others build their own container home. Click the link below the video to watch the full video for details. I've always been worried about others doing work like this, but after helping a few people I knew it was something I loved to do. And finally, after many years of experience, I have created a simple to follow DIY guide to building a container home. Since my reputation is on the line, I leave no stone unturned. Here's what you're going to learn with my Build a Container Home Construction Manual. Use my secret sources to get a shipping container at the lowest possible price. This can make or break your chances at building a low-cost home. Crucial pre-purchase inspection tip. Warning: you must know this before purchasing any shipping container. Not knowing this quick tip could result in heartache and lost $. How to obtain your permit. Get full step-by-step instructions to obtain a building permit, including a checklist of what you need to do. Just check them off as you do each step. Design and layout planning tips and advice from a qualified expert. It may seem simple using containers, but there are quite a few options, as you're probably aware. 20 inches, 40 inches, high cube, etc. Then you can use multiple containers in many different formats. My design tips will help you choose the right layout for your needs. On top of my layout tips, I'll also throw in 15 3D container layout options to help you out. Learn how to correctly prepare your site for footings or concrete foundations. I go into quite a lot of detail with plenty of diagrams and pictures on this topic, because this is where I see a lot of newbie container builders go wrong. So pay attention. Get my electrical layout and installation plans. I've topped this off with full diagrams to make this as simple as possible. This is just a small fraction of the information I'm including in my guide to building a container home. There is so much more included, and I'm sure you're going to love the detail. As you can see, this is extremely extensive. You will not find this level of detailed information anywhere else. Not in the library, not in other online guides, not YouTube, nowhere. The most comprehensive and up-to-date construction guide available. Customers from all over the world are thrilled with the quality and level of detail in my container construction guide. Take a look at what they're saying below. This is the best resource ever. I've searched so many websites but am so glad I stumbled onto this one. The construction plans are the best I've found, and I can say with confidence, this is the best resource ever. Awesome 3D designs and easy-to-follow instructions. Matt H. via E-My. I learned a lot from this. Hi Warren, quality guide on building a home from shipping containers. I learned a lot from this. Frank B. via E-My. I really love the 3D designs. So happy smiley face. You're good as great Warren, and I really love the 3D designs. Some creative stuff there. Ben A. via E-My. Highly recommend this guide. Lucky I got this guide. I was going about the construction process entirely the wrong way, and this has saved me much more than I paid, not to mention the time I've saved. I highly recommend this guide. Karen W. via E-My. A+ on the product Warren. A+ on the product Warren. Worth the investment and highly recommend to others. Thomas H. via E-My. Are you ready to get started? Click the link below the video to watch the full video for details.